Today we are reviewing Google Pixel 6a. Google Pixel 6a has display size of 6.1 inches and has display type of OLED with the resolution of 1080p with a 429 ppi. The ratio on this phone is 20:9, which is about 83%. The front-facing camera has 8 megapixel. The internal storage on this phone is 128 gigabyte with no micro SD card expansion available. There's also no wireless charging available on this phone. For security options, you have the fingerprint sensor in display with no face unlock feature. The rear camera megapixel is 12.2 megapixel with 12 megapixel ultra wide. There is portrait mode available for this phone for both front and back camera. This phone has 6 gigabyte RAM with the processor of Google Tensor. The maximum video recording resolution on this phone is 4K 60 FPS rear and 1080p 30 FPS front. The battery capacity on this phone is 4410 mAh with 18 watts fast charging available. The software on this phone is Android 12. This was review for Google Pixel 6a.